When is the best time of year to cut off large tree limbs so the bark heals over quickly? So what do you think about that one, Dale?
Well, I think dormant pruning is the best way to go. I know there's some things like some maples and some birches and things. If you cut them in the spring when the sap's rising, they'll bleed on you. But I think just dormant pruning is the way to go. So fall and winter's a great time. You can see the structure of the tree. It's a little bit harder to discern what's alive and what's dead, but a good arborist can do that.
Yep. Do you want to add to that, Kyle?
I'll just make sure the pruning's done right at the branch bark collar, and you're coming back when you're cutting it and not leaving a stub, and so that it'll heal correctly.
Okay. Yeah, and I do want to add, so if you do it in the wintertime when it's dormant, may not have to worry so much about insect and disease infestation.
Yeah, good point.
So that's something I would consider as well.